हाय फ्रेंड्स, आई एम डॉक्टर संजय सिंह। टुडे टॉपिक डेंटल एक्स पार्ट टू। पार्ट फर्स्ट मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया था, तो आइए देखते हैं हम लोग डेंटल एक्स पार्ट टू। अगर आप इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। दीज आर द कंटेंट वी डिस्कस वन बाय वन। Inlay wax. Inlay wax is a specialized dental wax that can be applied to dies to form direct or indirect pattern for the last of wax technique used for casting metals or hot pressing of ceramics. It is among the oldest wax used in dentistry. A type of pattern wax. Inlay wax एक pattern wax होता है। इसका हम लोग यूज जो है सबसे पुराने हम लोग करते थे, इनले वैक्स का ही यूज़ करते थे। Uses inlay crowns and APD full partial dentures in first made in wax and then replaced by metal during casting, and supplied as in variety of color including blue, green, yellow, red and every color. Every color wax is useful for aesthetic case presentation, and commercial name is the Howard Care, etc. This is the inlay wax. Types of inlay wax according to NSI and ADA specification number 4. Dental inlay casting wax cover two types of inlay wax. Type first medium wax used in direct technique, and type second soft wax used in indirect technique. Composition of inlay wax. This is the ingredients and weight percentage and role. Paraffin which is 40 to 60% and stabilize the melting point, and carnauba wax is 20% and decrease the flow of mouth temperature and contribute to glossiness of wax surface. And sericin is 10% and role is modify toughness and carving character of wax. Gum damar and damar resin is 1% weights and improve smoothness in molding and to render it more resistant to cracking and flaking, increase toughness and luster to surface. Bee wax is 5% and modifies properties of paraffin waxes. Candela wax. It can also be added to the paraffin to partially or entirely replace the carnauba wax. कैंडला वैक्स को हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं जब carnauba वैक्स के जगह पे हम लोग कैंडला वैक्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ये लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होता है और ये नॉट हार्ड होता है carnauba वैक्स की तरह, ये हार्ड नहीं होता है। सिंथेटिक वैक्स often replace carnauba wax in parts which are compatible with paraffin wax. These are preferred over natural waxes because it has greater uniformly. Flow. Type first inlay wax exhibit a marked plasticity or flow at a temperature slightly above that of mouth temperature. At 65 degrees Celsius, wax begin to harden slowly. At approximately 48 degrees Celsius, wax become a solid, and below 48 degrees Celsius, wax cools rapidly. जो इनले वैक्स का फ्लो होता है वो 65 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे हार्ड ही होता है, वो स्मूथ होने लगता है स्लोली, एंड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 48 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे वो बिकम सॉलिड होता है और 48 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे वो कूल्स रैपिडली हो जाता है. दिस इज द ग्राफ टेम्परेचर एंड टाइम फॉर इनले वैक्स. And for type first, maximum flow at 37 degrees Celsius 98 Fahrenheit is 1%. The low flow of at this temperature permits carving and removal of pattern from prepared cavity at oral cavity without distortion. जो इनले वैक्स टाइप फर्स्ट होता है वो 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे उसका लो फ्लो होता है, उसको हम लोग टेम्परेचर परमिट कार्विंग कर सकते हैं बिना हेयर रिमूवल ऑफ पैटर्न को, उसको प्रिपेयर्ड कैविटी बना सकते हैं ओरल कैविटी में विदाउट डिस्टॉर्शन. And for type second, it hardens at 30 degrees Celsius. This wax is more suitable for the laboratory. जो टाइप सेकेंड इनले वैक्स होता है वो 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर मोस्ट सूटेबल होता है, हम लोग लेबोरेटरी में इसका यूज करते हैं. बोथ टाइप फर्स्ट एंड टाइप सेकेंड वैक्सेज मस्ट हैव ए मिनिमल फ्लो एट 70 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड ए मैक्सिमम फ्लो एट 90% at 45 degrees Celsius 113 degree Fahrenheit. At approximately this temperature, the wax is inserted into the prepared cavity. If the wax does not have a sufficient plasticity, it will not flow into all the area in the preparation and reproduce the required details. Thermal properties. The inlay wax are softened with heat forced into the prepared cavity in either the tooth or the die and cooled. And thermal conductivity is low for waxes. Time is required both to heat them uniformly throughout and cool them to body temperature or room temperature. Second is coefficient of thermal expansion is high for waxes होता है, and temperature increases of 20 degrees Celsius, wax expansion up to 0.7%. When temperature decrease from 37 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, wax contraction up to 0.35%. This is the curve A, thermal expansion, and curve B is thermal expansion of inlay wax when cooled under pressure while wax is cooling from liquid state, and curve B is the thermal expansion of inlay wax when cooled without being placed under pressure and अगेन हीटेड। जो कर्व ए है उसमें हम लोग बिना बस ओनली कूल करने पे लिक्विड स्टेट में प्रेशर के द्वारा हम लोग इसमें देख रहे हैं कितना थर्मल एक्सपेंशन हो रहा है प्रेशर लगाने पे, और जो हम लोग कर्व बी है वो विदाउट द प्लेस अंडर प्रेशर एंड हीटेड से देख रहे हैं उसमें कितना थर्मल एक्सपेंशन हो रहा है। वैक्स डिस्टॉर्शन। Distortion of wax pattern is the most serious problem that occurs during forming and removing of pattern from a tooth or dies. Wax distortion is the mainly in the inlay wax is the removing from the pattern in tooth or dies. Wax distortion result is occupied air in the pattern, physical deformation during molding, carving and removal, release of stress trap during previous cooling, and excessive storage time and extreme temperature change during storage. Elastic memory. What is this elastic memory? Waxes the other thermoplastic tends to return partially to their original shape after manipulation. The property responsible for this phenomena is commonly known as elastic memory. It is more critical in inlay wax than other impression material because the result metallic or hot pressed ceramic restoration made from the wax must fit on the unyielding hard tooth tissues. So to counteract the property of distortion, the pattern should be invested immediately on removal so as for the best fitting of the cast. यहाँ पे आपको वैक्स डिस्टॉर्शन के दो फिगर दिखाया गया है जिसमें हम लोग वैक्स को बेंड करके वाटर में डालते हैं, फिर आफ्टर 24 आवर इट इज़ द नॉर्मल अपने पोजीशन में आ जाता है। तो फिगर ए द स्टिक ऑफ इनले वैक्स इज बेंड इनटू द शेप ऑफ हॉर्स शेप्स एंड व्हेन द वैक्स वाज बेंड इनटू ए हॉर्स शेप द इनर मॉलिक्यूल्स were under compression and the outer ones were under tension, and figure B is the after 24 hours। जैसे मैंने बताया 24 बाद वो अपने ओरिजिनल पोजीशन में आ जाता है। द सेम स्टिक ऑफ वैक्स टेंड रिलैक्स एंड डिस्टॉर्शन अगर once the stress were gradually relieved at the room temperature the wax tended to straighten। Hygroscopic expansion. A pattern made of hard wax is less sensitivity to temperature condition than one made of soft wax. The exothermic heat generated during setting of investment affected the pattern selectively. A soft pattern may result in a slightly larger and relatively rougher casting than a hard wax pattern. The tendency of the inlay wax, softer inlay wax, to expand during setting in hygroscopic bath 37.8 degrees Celsius 100 Fahrenheit may contribute to the phenomena of hygroscopic expansion. And manipulation. For the fabrication direct pattern, soften a stick of inlay wax over flame and keep it twirling until it becomes shiny. Repeat the process until wax is warm throughout and knead the wax and shape into the prepared cavity. And pressure should be applied the clinical fingers of by patient biting on wax. Cool down the wax at mouth temperature and hook down the wax pattern and carefully remove from cavity. Note: for removing mesoocclusal for removing MOD pattern, looting for stable or loop of thread can be done so that each prong is fastened above a corresponding proximal box pattern. The pattern can then be removed within minimum distortion by passing a dental floss through stable and withdrawing it in a direct parallel to the axial walls. After removal of pattern, avoid touching the wax pattern with the fingers as much as possible to prevent any temperature changes. For fabricating indirect pattern, lubricate the dies using lubricating containing a wetting agent. Add the melted wax layer by layer using a spatula or a waxing instrument, or it may be painted on with a brush. Overfill the cavity and carve the wax to the proper contour, and while carving the margins avoid abrading any surface of dies. Use silk cloth for the final polishing of pattern, rubbing toward the margin. To avoid pattern distortion, invest the pattern immediately after removal from the mouth or die. Base plate wax, a type of pattern wax. Classification according to ADA specific number 24. Base plates is the three types. Type first is soft wax used for building veneers, and type second is medium wax used to design matter pattern to be built tried in the mouth normal climatic condition, and type third is the hard wax used for trial fitting in the mouth in tropical climates. Uses: the principle used to stabilize the initial arch form in the construction of complete dentures, supplied as a red or pink sheets 1 to 2 mm thickness, and flow of base plate wax is type second is highly then type third, and then type first. As residual stress is present within the wax as a result of contouring and manipulation, the finished denture pattern should be invested as soon as possible after completion. Beading wax and boxing wax. A type of processing wax useful on enclosing an impression before the plaster are cast in pour. Supplied as the boxing wax is sheet beading wax as strip. Sticky wax, a type of processing wax used for joining assembling metal part before soldering and for joining fragments of broken dentures before repair procedure. जब हम दो सोल्डरिंग करते हैं किसी भी मेटल्स के तो उसमें हम लोग स्टिकी वैक्स यूज करते हैं बिफोर द सोल्डरिंग, रिपेयर करते हैं डेंचर्स को स्टिकी वैक्स के थ्रू. कार्डिंग वैक्स, a type of processing wax, it is used for manufacture for the packaging of acrylic और porcelain teeth. कार्डिंग वैक्स का हम लोग यूज जो हम लोग टूथ पोर्सलिन टूथ होता है उसको पैकेजिंग में यूज करते हैं. कार्डिंग वैक्स सॉफ्ट स्टैकी एंड प्लेएबल एट रूम टेम्परेचर, अवेलेबल एज सीड्स और स्ट्रिप्स. Shellac, a type of processing wax. Shellac was जो once extensively used in dentistry to fabricate temporary dentures based on custom trays. Shellac का हम लोग यूज करते हैं एक कस्टम ट्रेस की तरह टेम्प्रेरी डेंचर्स में. टेम्प्रेरी डेंचर बेस में हम लोग इसको कस्टम ट्रेस के लिए यूज करते हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर बाइट रजिस्ट्रेशन. बाइट रजिस्ट्रेशन वैक्स, ए टाइप ऑफ इम्प्रेशन वैक्स and used to record the relationship between maxillary and mandibular teeth. It is necessary in order to mount the cast correctly in the articulator. Supplied as a U-shaped rod or wafers. Corrective impression wax, used widely in the past for making dental impression. These waxes are quite soft at mouth temperature. They do not have sufficient body to register the detail of the soft tissues and are rigid at room temperature and hence susceptible to distortion. However, they may be used in certain situations as mentioned below to make functional impression of free in saddles, class first and class seconds residual partial dentures, and to record the posterior palatal cells in dentures. This is the corrective impression wax. And conclusion, a widely variety of wax are available in different forms, shape, size and composition depending on the function it has performed. Restorative dentistry cannot be completed without the use of wax as they are used some of the highest precision work in dentistry. Handling of wax is an art. Through knowledge of manipulation and working properties of wax make it a stable material to handle. And this is the content from the Phillips Science of Dental Materials, Anusavis and Basic Dental Materials from Manapli. थैंक यू दोस्तों. अगर आप इस यूट्यूब चैनल में नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करना भूलें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें.